The 2021 report card of Assam has shown significant improvement. Addressing distinguished editors of top media houses in Assam, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma today informed that from the time the current government assumed office last year, Assam has not only shown a fast economic development but also had a stable law and order situation. Additionally, the Chief Minister said the era of tribal insurgency was now over across the state, with several cadres belonging to insurgent groups now returning to the mainstream. Here, he acknowledged the efforts of civil society organizations in making this goal a reality. Moreover, Chief Minister Sharma said as many as 800 decisions were taken in 31 cabinet meetings held so far. He said that the goal was to keep the government operations running without people facing the brunt of the red tapeism. Chief Minister Sharma made a special of the Mission Vasundhara, wherein at least 1,25,000 applications have been resolved out of the 8 lakh applications received. He added that all pending applications will be resolved by May 10th. Stressing on the importance of e-services in eradicating issues such as corruption, Chief Minister Sharma said the government seeks to make every service technology-based in the next 3 years and put an end to the existing manual mode of governance.
Amar Sarkare daitto luar pisot etialeke poa indication mote last year saw a very fast economic development. Joa ebosor ba 8 mahot the GDP formation was very good. Law and order situation apunaluke jane 2021 sonot almost tribal insurgency is we can say that it is now over, and virtually jiman sohosto সংগঠন asile everybody has come back to mainstream. Era of tribal militancy is now over in Assam. Instead of I take credit, I want to give back the credit to the civil society of tribal people that they have themselves decided that now time has come to wind up militancy. Moi daitto loar pisot amar 31 খন cabinet বৈঠক হল আৰু we took 800 decisions. মানুহে red tapeism to feel কৰিব নালাগে, অথচ মানুহৰ কামো হৈ থাকিব লাগে। আৰু সেই দুটা এংগুলৰ পৰা আমি কেইটামান কাম হাতত লৈছিলো। মিছন বসুন্ধৰা 8,08,000 আবেদন আহিছিল। So far we resolve 1,24,000 application already. আৰু 10 মেৰ আগত আমি গোটেই কামবিলাক কৰি দিম। যদি মিছন বসুন্ধৰা সেকেন্ড আনো তাৰ পিছত আৰু অসমৰ মাটিবাৰী সংক্ৰান্তত কাম থাকা মানুহ নাথাকিব। Transport department has done very good job in overall bringing transparency. Transport departmentor initiative 3,50,000 people has so far been benefited. Either driving license hok, learner license hok, renewal hok, next levelot ami ei mahor bhitorte aru 7টা service ami এৰি দিব খুজিছো ফৰ সিস্টেমেটিক্যালি যে মানুহে কম্পিউটাৰত আহিব, কম্পিউটাৰতে লৈ যাব, মানুহ আৰু দ্বিতীয় অফিসত আহিব নালাগে। So transport department by 31st March will become fully automated. IWT গুটে টিকেটিং to আমি অনলাইন কৰি পেলাইছিলো। Lakhs of people have taken its benefit even in Majuli. ইয়াক আমি আৰু আগুৱাব গৈ আছো। আজি যদি কোনোবা এখন ট্ৰেড লাইসেন্স লব খুজে কম্পিউটাৰত খালি এপ্লাই কৰিলে নো হিউম্যান ইন্টাৰফাৰেন্স, মানুহেও গম নাপায় যে এখন ট্ৰেড লাইসেন্স ইস্যু হৈছে। এটা মেজৰ সোর্স অফ কৰাপশন has been eliminated. অনলাইন প্ৰপাৰ্টি টেক্স অ্যাসেসমেন্ট, অনলাইন বিল্ডিং পারমিশন, এই গোটেই বিলাক আমাৰ আৰবান ডেভেলপমেন্ট ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টে তাক অনলাইন কৰি পেলালে। আধাৰখনৰ লগত লিংক কৰি পেলাই আমি এমপ্লয়মেন্ট এক্সচেঞ্জৰ এতিয়া ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেচন লৰা আহিব নালাগে, আমি simply ঘৰৰ পৰাই কৰিব পাৰি। নেক্সট ইয়াৰ এডমিশন IIT হক, মেডিকেল হক, ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং হক, কোনো কলেজত আহিব নালাগে। এভৰিথিং উই আৰ অন ৱে অফ মেকিং ইট কমপ্লিট অনলাইন। ডেথ সাৰ্টিফিকেট, গান লাইসেন্স, যিমান আছে পাব্লিক যিমান সিস্টেম আছে I have taken 3 years of time. Within 3 years, entire government will be on technology. আমি যেতিয়া প্ৰজেক্ট সদভাৱনাটো 1 ফেব্ৰুৱাৰীৰ পৰা আমি লঞ্চ কৰিম পুৰণা মেনুৱেল ফাইলবিলাক চেছ কৰি দিয়াৰ কাৰণে with that manual system of governance will come to an end. We will be completely on technology.
Meanwhile, on being asked about the government's plans to generate livelihood options by Northeast Live Editor-in-Chief Wasbir Hussain, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma said that the prime focus of the government is to make Assam self-sufficient, including the various sectors such as agriculture, dairy and poultry, to name a few. This idea, as Chief Minister Sharma said, will ensure livelihood options. He added that the government is adopting several steps like the self-help group movement and self-employment initiative, which are aimed at generating employment options among the unemployed youth. Not just this, Sharma also further informed that the government is focusing on ensuring maximum recruitment in the Central Paramilitary Forces and the Indian Army, and highlighted he is in constant talks with highly placed Indian Army personnel in Assam. Meanwhile, a key decision in this regard was also taken in the latest cabinet meeting, as stated by the Assam Chief Minister. The government is partnering with a number of job portals such as Naukri and others, where job recommendations will be automatically sent to those who have recently registered at the Employment Exchange Office. Well, Chief Minister Sharma reiterated that livelihood and employment generation is one of the top priorities of the Assam government.
You have given a very positive picture of the state, which we are very happy to hear in 2021. You have said that there are large-scale progress as far as the social sector schemes are concerned, capital-intensive schemes are concerned. That means there is a lot of infrastructure development projects going on. Now my question is, obviously you have a lot of plans in mind. I'd like to hear it from you. What are the steps you're going to take for generating livelihood options, self-employment schemes, so that you don't have to give grants or social sector grants to the people so that they can survive on their own? What is your plan?
The primary aim is the self-sufficiency. We could have added another 40,000 crore in our annual GDP if we could have self-sufficient in agriculture, horticulture and dairy. So state government entire focus is to ensure that we become self-sufficient. Jate ami Ahomot self-sufficient hobo paru, dairy, meat, poultry, krishi, gutekhini. Heitut jodi ami hobo paru, tetale automatically there will be livelihood. 1 lakhs employment government sector. We are taking up the self-help group movement and a self-employment initiative. Aru eta ami khub kam hatot loisu je maximum recruitment in Central Paramilitary Forces and Indian Army. I am taking regular advice from the distinguished gentlemen who are serving in very high post in Indian Army from Assam. We are in regular discussion. Today in cabinet we have sanctioned a very important project on this line. It is the employment exchange or lorabilak register hobo. Now we are in touch with various employment-based web portal. Suppose Naukri.com omuk tomuk. Amar data to upor teoluke AI kori lobo. Kori metrical lorabilakor usot ei dhornor serviceor reference ahi jabo. Medicalor uprot সেই ধৰণৰ সার্ভিসৰ কাগজ আহি যাব যে আপোনালোক ইন্টাৰভিউত আহক আমাৰ এই ধৰণৰ. So livelihood and employment generation is one of our priority. আৰু মই ভাবো যে we will see lot of positive movement on that also in 2022.